We're here standing in front of the Installation Amplifiers 2G. Again, I'm with Michael, he's going to talk you through it. Michael, tell us about this range of installation amplifiers.
Yeah, we're bringing 4 new installation amplifiers here. We've got a 4x60 watt amplifier, a 4x125 watt amplifier, a 2x750 watt amplifier, and a 4x750 watt amplifier. And really, we're bringing the amplifiers here both for synergy, but also for our new Creator Series in-ceiling loudspeakers. Amplifiers are super flexible, so we've got some great features in there. For example, the 60-4 will deliver 250 watts into a single channel.
Wow, okay.
And 125 watts into 2 or 60 into 4. Each amplifier's got DSP capability, it's got matrix routing, it's got GPIO control, SP diff inputs, balanced in, unbalanced in, real tour de force here. They run cold and they've got variable temperature fans in them, so if they are in a nice rack, they're not going to overheat and you don't have to worry too much about the temperature of the control room.
Fantastic, that's a lot of detail. And also this is great for sort of like small, medium and large systems, including outdoor garden systems and all
Absolutely.
of that stuff.
So every single one of these amps can be run in bridged mode for 70 volt, 100 volt line. So that suits your outdoor systems.
Thanks Michael, that was great. If you want to find out more about Installation Amplifiers 2G, come along to monitoraudio.com.